300 miles north of Cape North.
Yeah.
Basically, this is the place where two lines intersect.
Okay.
Norfolk Island and Cape North.
Okay. Tonight, tomorrow, one day, Tuesday, 2 days. Tuesday, we must arrive.
Then on Friday night, you have north-northwest, little wind. Saturday, you have northwest. And on Sunday night, you have southwest.
Well, we must go down Friday and Saturday. But the depression, yeah, but the depression is coming here. After she go a little up, and we say we turn before there, and we take this way.
We might have to do a little bit.
Not a little bit, a lot, like that, because it's strong if we are like that. Yeah, we must take
a little bit like this. And this is Thursday, so Thursday and Thursday. Jeudi.
Okay.
So this is Thursday, bad day Thursday.
Yeah.
Then on Friday, it's west-southwest, so it's gonna come a little bit more like this.
Friday. Yes, but Friday we will be
a little southern. Yeah.
No. Friday it's Friday. Friday we will go down.
Yes. Okay.
Day 5. About 9:30 in the morning, I guess. Something like that. Time hasn't been that much around here. As you can see, the weather's a little inclement. We had a couple of downpours overnight and a couple of wind gusts up to 35. I slept right through. Didn't hear a thing. It is clearing though, so we'll get to have a swim before we leave. Maybe we're leaving about 4 o'clock. That's Oxygen, and they came over this morning to steal some of our weather forecast information because their Iridium Go has failed them. So at the worst possible time, his expensive weather forecasting equipment has completely failed and he can't get a weather report. So he's leaving today for New Zealand as well, embarking on an almost 800 nautical mile trip over 5 days without any weather information. It takes us back a number of decades as to how sailors used to do it, I guess. Always put the swim ladder down before you go swimming.
Yep.
Just probably picked them out. That's a monohull. It's a Kiwi girl and an Aussie guy, a couple travelling together, those guys that were kite surfing yesterday. Also leaving with us, so again talking to them on Channel 16, sharing information. Hi. Hey guys! That's it. That's today, the morning of the 5th day. Not much to do. We're going to check out the steering, do a little bit of maintenance on the steering cables and things to make sure that, can't hurt to put more lubricant in place, even though it was done before we left Fiji, just to double check it. So it's a lazy lunch of chicken curry soup, but check this out. I have never seen boned chicken inside a tin. That's crazy, hey? Not so sure about that one. It smells good, but Jesus. And this is the outcome of the soup. 3 cans, this much bone.